Oh, the Bit Bros. They love to hunt lizards together on the fence. Little Mexican jumping beans. Mexican jumping pibbos. I don't know. Just jumping pibbos. It just doesn't sound as good, I guess. Have you never heard of Mexican jumping beans?
No, I was on that trend. I just realized an enormous thing through that post. Good Lord.
Yeah, oh yeah, that's a whew,
That's a hazard.
honker.
Someone.
Wow, Biddos. Do you have springs in your back legs? Wow. They're so cute.
Oh, there is one. There was a
Lizard
Bills,
bits.
You missed the lizard. He was over here. You gotta get this fence replaced.
I know, we need to fix it. Yeah, Bit Bros. Wow. Wow. Okay, bye. Yeah, them's Bit Bros. Bitums. What you see, Bitums? What you see up here on this post? I know, guys, we're gonna try to replace this as soon as we can. Bibbos, do not try to go digging. Them's Bit Bros. Lizard bits. Wow. Try to get Dad's shadow out of the shot. Looks like it's easier said than done. This is a great way that they just wear one another out. Wow. Wow. Bing. They'll do this all day unless we stop them. Or they get tired. You guys look pretty tired. We don't want them to get sore in their back end. Biddles has a very sore back end whenever he's jumped a lot, so I'm gonna call it right now. Mom, can we bring him in?